Cider AI review. So is this the best writing assistant? Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'll be doing a review right here with Cider AI. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below, and we're gonna get special discounts or special promos if you're gonna purchase the plans right here from Cider AI. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the review. So according to Futurepedia right here, Cider AI has a 5-star rating. So yeah, so here are the key features of Cider AI. So first, we have integrated AI technology. So it incorporates ChatGPT 3.5 or 4, Claude 3, and Gemini 1.5 Pro. It has comprehensive web assistance. It is a one-stop AI assistant and accessibility and ease of use. So for the pros, we have time efficiency. So users report saving up to 8.5 hours weekly. Next is AI assistance everywhere. So it provides AI support across various scenarios, including web browsing, video watching, and document writing. Next, we have enhanced creativity and comprehension. So Cider is praised for expanding users' imagination and knowledge, delivering results that surpass professional expectations. And then the high user satisfaction with over 32,000 5-star ratings and 4 million active users. Cider has proven its value and reliability to vast audiences. For the cons, we have platform limitations. So it's initially available as a Chrome/Edge extension, which may limit users using other browsers. Next is the learning curve, so new users might need time to explore and fully utilize the extensive features. The next is dependency on internet connectivity. So as a web-based tool, it really requires internet connection. So yeah, so here are the plans right here from Cider AI. So we have the starter, the unlimited, the basic, and the pro plan. So again, if you want to get special discounts or special promos with these plans right here, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So first, we have the starter plan right here, which will cost around $4.2 a month. So in here, you'll get data analysis, 1,800 basic credits, 100 advanced credits, and some features right here like data analysis, YouTube summary, AI generator, and a lot more. For the unlimited plan, you'll get unlimited credits, unlimited advanced credits. So this one's their best plan right here. Next is we have the basic plan for $6.7 a month. So in here you'll get 3,600 basic credits and 200 advanced credits. For the pro plan for $12.4 a month, you'll get 12,000 basic credits and 400 advanced credits. So yeah, so their best plan right here is the unlimited plan for $16.7 a month. So in here you'll get unlimited of the credits, both basic and advanced. So yeah, again, there will be a special link in the description below if you're going to purchase the plans right here from cider.ai. So yeah, so if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.